Another tragedy in Chicago has happened. So this here is Milton Coleman. So on Tuesday, June 4th, 2024, Coleman and another man were around Jackson Park, located around the 2000 block of East 67th Street. That's when an unknown suspect approached them and just started shooting at them. Police and EMS responded to shots spotter alert in the area I stated above. When they arrived, they sadly found both of them with multiple gunshot wounds. They both were rushed to the University of Chicago Medical Center in critical condition. Sadly, not long after arriving, Coleman was sadly pronounced deceased. May he rest in peace. Coleman was 39 years old. The other male he was with was 25 years old. And last I heard, he was listed in fair condition. I want to send my deepest condolences out to Coleman's family and friends, and also prayers for the 25-year-old to make a full recovery. Rest in peace, Coleman, and God bless his family.